Okay, here is a rain central air conditioner at a water softening place near my town. Currently not running. Oh, it's a WeatherKing actually. It's a 4-ton from 2005. Small 4-ton. Interesting. Pretty sure that has a benchmark scroll compressor. And do not think it's been running. But yeah, this is at a water softening place near my town that I've actually never filmed at before. And this unit's in a steep location, so yeah. Has a GE motor. Pretty interesting unit. I like these units a lot. Yeah, suction line, it's not sweaty, so I don't think this has been running. I think this place actually is probably vacant now. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of this unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.